Using Kartra's standard features, I'll show you how to create a company or organization access to your Kartra memberships. This way, a company can pay you once and give all of their employees access to your Kartra memberships. First, we're going to use My Forms to create a form with a custom field called Access Code. Then, using My Pages, create a landing page using the form with the name, email, and access code fields. Then, under My Campaigns and Automation, you'll create an automation using the if the lead fills the form and custom code field equals a value that you specify, and then the automation will grant access to your memberships and assign those people to whatever lists you specify. Finally, you'll use email notifications or Kartra's lead or lists options to monitor the access and manually delete anyone that shouldn't belong. You're going to have a company or organization or school use the access code you assign them and their business or school email address, not their personal email address, and your landing page will say that. Review notifications for new members and look at the leads or lists to look for any inappropriate access and then manually delete them. Step 1 is to go under My Forms, Forms, and create a form with a custom field called Access Code. Custom field name is Access Code. It'll be a text input field, and then you can enter a placeholder that says Enter Organization Access Code, and this will be required. Complete the rest of the form creation process, but do not use the automations section in the form. We're going to do this later. Create a landing page using one of the landing page templates and change the form that's used on that template to the form you created. Here I highlight the area that's got the fields, and this little pencil icon appears. I click on it, and then you can see over here the opt-in form. You can select the opt-in form to use on your particular page. You'll apply it, and you'll now have a form with the name, email address, and the access code fields for the person to complete. For step 3, we're going to go to My Campaigns, Campaigns, and then Automations. Here, you'll define an automation that if the lead fills out a form and the custom code equals some value that you define, then you're going to grant access to that course, the membership, and subscribe them to one or more lists. You'll need to use your leads option under My Campaigns, and you can look at the lists, leads, or tags however you're assigning new people using the organization page to your site. You can see I have them subscribed to either one or more lists, and you can babysit those lists and make sure that the email addresses used belong to the companies you've granted access to. And that's it. Very easy. No other services are needed. You can do all of this right in Kartra.